How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can play on high FPS and not have screen tearing in Geometry Dash. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate back onto the main menu, which is going to be this one right here. And then right after, basically it all works for mobile devices. What you want to do is to just exit out of background applications. So maybe you have something like Messenger opened, you have something like Spotify, Facebook, Google Chrome, browser, Discord open up. You just want to go ahead and close that down in order to allocate more resources onto Geometry Dash that enables the device to run it smoothly. From there, you want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be our main setting. Of course, click graphics, and you just want to make sure that you are using the texture quality depending on your device compatibility. So if you have a low spec device, I suggest choosing somewhere between low and medium. But if you have a strong device that's capable of running games on high resolution and high quality, you then want to select the high option right here. Now, navigate through advanced. You want to make sure that you are using the smooth fix, unlock FPS, and then you also want to use vertical sync. So you also want to go ahead and set your FPS to the FPS that your screen basically supports. So in my case, my FPS supports 165 FPS, mostly for mobile devices. For the newer gen, I believe yours can support up to 120 FPS. But of course, you want to go ahead and research it out to make sure that you are using the right numbers. But I believe for newer phones out there, it's going to be 120 Hertz. So just click on the apply button, click on X, and right after, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.